Hey everybody, we're here at the Northport Village Laundry for a pop-up neighbor through laundry day. Anyone who walks through the door is getting their laundry done for free, and our friends from Northport Kiwanis are here giving away free school supplies and necessary items.
And so we have a lot of families who are either displaced or flooded, and today we're hoping to replenish some of their supplies, get their laundry washed for them, give them some books and snacks, and maybe a hug.
Okay everybody, get to work.
You're the first one to drag in your laundry.
We have,
Whoa! Okay. How many quarters does it take those movies?
Well, this one is $6.75.
Wow!
There you go, girl.
I think it's great, honestly. I think everybody here needs some help during these difficult times.
He uses it. If I'm here, I'm going to do something. Oh, so that's why you have so many towels from the hurricane and all for the water, to serve up the water.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Oh yeah, there you go. How do you feel about this?
I'm just so honored and blessed. Thank you.
Muchas gracias. Estoy muy agradecida.
Okay, she is very thankful. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Oh my God. Bye-bye now.
Patterson Foundation called and said, hey, we can partner. We were so excited because it really does mean that we're down in South County in Northport. You guys understand the need.
I tell people every day is a little bit better than the day before it, and you know, the debris management, and we got a lot of people out there fixing roofs, and that was important because there was a lot of rain yesterday. But when you look out and you see the city, you see that the debris is just piling up. So we have 30 to 60 days to get that out of there, and then you got to start rebuilding the infrastructure, the fences, the buildings, and it'll be a long journey. And I'm telling people, you know, the world is watching us right now because it's happened and we're responding. It'll be a recovery period where we still will need help for quite some time. So please don't forget about Northport.
They have nothing. Their houses are gone. They have no clothes. They have no shoes, no anything. So we're here to give them everything. Take anything they need.
Is there dogs?
Heartful thanks.
Really.
That is the key thing.
So yes, they are very, very grateful, and as usual, a lot of smiles during pop-up neighbor through laundry events.
It is blowing my mind. This is the first day that I actually lost control and was crying. Because to walk in here and smell the freshness and the soap and be able to have our laundry done is amazing. And this is what's going to help us heal, so thank you so much.